So you're on the hunt for the best free AI image generator of 2024? Well, we're putting two giants to the test, Leonardo AI and Midjourney. Leonardo AI claims it's the best free tool around, while Midjourney has been the go-to for jaw-dropping realism if you're willing to pay. But here's the big question: can Leonardo keep up with Midjourney's pro-level results all for free? We're diving deep, breaking down everything from ease of use and realism to cartoon art, fine details, and beyond. Let's see which one delivers the most bang for $0. Here's the game plan. We'll use the same prompts across both AIs and score them in different categories, from interface to speed and everything in between. By the end, we'll reveal the ultimate winner for 2024. Before we get started, I would love you to predict who you think will win. Share your predictions in the comments below. Ready? Let's get started. Round 1, User Interface. First up, let's talk about how easy they are to use. Midjourney runs entirely through Discord. If you're not familiar with bot commands and server channels, it might feel a bit like learning a secret language just to get started. It's powerful, but not exactly plug and play. Leonardo AI, on the other hand, keeps it simple. You get a clean, straightforward web interface. Just log in, type your prompt, and start creating. No commands, no setup, just straight into the art. If ease of use is your thing, Leonardo definitely has the edge here. So first point to Leonardo. That's 1-0. Round 2, Realism. Next, let's check out Realism, where Midjourney has built its reputation. We gave both AIs a high-detail prompt, and Midjourney did not disappoint. The textures, lighting, shadows, everything has that photorealistic wow factor. Leonardo AI holds its own, but it's just a bit softer around the edges. For high-detail, realistic imagery, Midjourney's depth and polish make it hard to beat, and that levels us up 1-1. Loving the comparison so far? If you're gaining value, consider subscribing to our channel. We'll be diving into more AI showdowns, comparing the best tools for image generation, text-to-image content creation, and more, to help you choose the perfect AI tools for your needs. Round 3, Cartoon Styles. Now onto something more playful. We threw both AIs a colorful, animated style prompt to see who could nail that classic Saturday morning cartoon feel. Leonardo AI delivered big time with bold colors and fun, exaggerated features, bringing that animated charm right to the screen. Midjourney, on the other hand, gave us a cartoon that looked almost too real to feel playful. For cartoon vibes, Leonardo AI definitely steals the show. That makes it 2-1 for Leonardo. Round 4, Artistic Styles. Moving into the world of art history, we tested their artistic range with prompts inspired by the famous styles of Van Gogh, Picasso, and Dali. Leonardo AI brought the spirit of these artists to life, creating images that felt creatively true to each style. Midjourney's images were refined but leaned toward a safer, polished approach. Leonardo AI gets the point for artistic flair and versatility here, making the images feel like genuine reinterpretations with a twist. The score's now 3-1 for Leonardo. Round 5, Fine Detail. Let's get technical now. Fine detail. We pushed both AIs with a prompt focusing on intricate textures, metallic engravings, and tiny details. Midjourney really shined here, capturing crisp, precise details that feel almost tangible. Leonardo did a decent job, but Midjourney's mastery over those tiny, intricate details really stands out. Midjourney pulls one back. It's 3-2. Round 6, Abstract Art. For something unconventional, we decided to explore abstract art. Here it's all about which AI can think outside the box and create visuals that feel unique, even mind-bending. Midjourney went bold with complex shapes and textures that almost felt three-dimensional, while Leonardo AI opted for a splash of colors and a slightly softer experimental look. It was close, but Midjourney's bold creativity in abstract art wins out. And we're tied up at 3-3. Round 7, Fantasy Art. Fantasy lovers, this one's for you. We pushed both AIs to create mythical worlds filled with dragons, castles, and enchanted forests. Leonardo AI brought a whimsical feel with soft, magical landscapes. But Midjourney just knows how to go big in fantasy. Those dragon scales, glowing eyes, and atmospheric details make it feel straight out of a blockbuster movie. For epic fantasy art, Midjourney definitely pulls ahead. That's 4-3 for Midjourney. Round 8, Speed of Generation. Of course, speed is a big factor too. When you're in the creative zone, waiting for images to load can be a drag. Leonardo AI is lightning quick, no waiting around, just results. Midjourney, while powerful, can sometimes take its time to process, which might slow you down if you're creating multiple images in one session. Leonardo's speed takes this one, we're tied up again. And finally, let's talk about the one thing everyone cares about: price. Midjourney starts at $10 a month for access, which can be worth it if you're looking for premium quality and advanced realism. But Leonardo AI? It's free to start, with budget-friendly options if you want to upgrade. For high-quality results without the price tag, Leonardo AI is the clear choice. And that gives Leonardo the win at 5-4. So there you have it. With a final score of 5-4, Leonardo AI takes the title as the best free AI image generator for 2024. It's easy to use, super fast, and delivers impressive results across different styles. Midjourney is still the king when it comes to photorealism and intricate fantasy details, but if you're looking to create without spending a cent, Leonardo AI is the unbeatable free option. Alright, now it's over to you. Which AI would you choose? Let us know your thoughts in the comments. And if you enjoyed this comparison, don't forget to subscribe for more AI showdowns. Have ideas for our next matchup? Drop them below, and as always, keep creating.